Hey guys, it's Shalae. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time watching, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and just watch the whole video. And today I'm going to be testing out this new wig I got off Amazon. It was $60. It's supposed to be human hair for $60. So hopefully it's good. So that's why I'm testing it. I'm going to do an unboxing video. And tomorrow when I take these out, I'm going to be trying to install it. Because I never installed a wig. So, I just thought it would be fun to record it. So let's get started. Okay, so it came in this. Okay. I'm gonna open it. Whatever. Wait, open it. Sorry, I don't know if this. Okay, I think I'm gonna need some scissors. Okay, I got the scissors and I'm cutting it now. Like there was no way to open it without scissors. Okay, so first it has this in it inside, and it has something else. Oh, this is so cute. What's this? I don't know. I'm a big. It's nothing. Okay, so first. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, sorry. So first, I'm gonna open this little pink thing that came inside. It's really cute packaging. Probably because pink. This little paper came in and it says, oh, sorry, I can't. Congratulations, you are chosen to be our lucky customer and get an opportunity to buy one, get one free. You send a 5-star good review, screenshot of the product that you purchased to the following email address, and you will get the same product 4-pack for free. Is that why there are so many reviews? Anyway, oh, I literally bought. Oh, I'm sorry. These, I thought these came free. Okay, well yeah, I got 2 wig caps. My skin color, kind of, but I have makeup too. When I saw it, and oh my gosh, I was so scared. I'm so scared. Guys, you don't understand. I am super scared of them. Okay. Hopefully it's not bad, because I'm not gonna be able to. I don't know. It says like I don't think you can return it. Oh, it came in a little baggie. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, this girl is so pretty on the cover. So thank you. It says, hi dear, we appreciate that you placed your order in my store. To appreciate you, I'm glad to remind you that we'll send a free gift. We have 6 different gifts. And this is the black wig cap. It comes with this. It comes with some eyelashes. They're very ugly. And the package is, well, it comes with my eyelashes. I don't really like them. If you guys want them, I'll probably give them away. In the back, the package is kind of ripped up, but it's fine, obviously. And I got a 12. Oh my gosh, it looks so good right now. Okay, so I got a 12-inch length. Okay, so first I'm gonna get my plucker, so I might have to pluck it and stuff, and I'm gonna get some product because I'm gonna, comb it and see how it looks. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back and I got everything. Okay, so I have this really tall mannequin head, and I could just actually just stand it right here, and you guys will be able to see. Okay, right here. That's fine, right? So okay. So first, we're gonna see how it looks. It honestly looks really good. So check it out. Yes! I'm so sorry, guys. Oh, I love it. I love the curl pattern and everything. Okay, so here's the wig. And here's the lace right here. Oh, and it has also a back lace. No, hair clips. The wig smells really bad. It's not bad. We're gonna put it on the hair. Look how beautiful that is, guys. And it's a 12-inch. I don't know if you guys can see that. Really nice. So, I'll see you guys I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna take these braids out and try to install the wig. Bye.
24 hours later.
Hey guys, I'm back. It's been 24 hours and we're gonna install the wig. I'm gonna try. So I got my brown cap. Let me put it on. So okay. So we put the brown cap on. Now we're gonna spray some got to be glued. My lucky. I'm just now realizing that there's hair sticking out at the back of my wig cap, so let's just ignore that. It's not dry yet. Let's try a little bit more. Wait. Okay, it's not all the way dry, so. Pop them ears out. Okay. Ears are popped out. Now we're gonna cut the thing and I'm gonna be. Okay, first I wanna see. I'm gonna put the wig on and see if my hair going is good for this side. Yeah. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna like see if this is where I want it to be. This is perfect right here. Okay. Right here is fine, right? How am I gonna use that? Okay. I'm gonna spray. Okay, this is not. This isn't spray. This isn't. It sprays, but it's ticking really hard. It's taking longer than usual. I'm gonna lay it down. I'm gonna get my blow dryer. Get my blow dryer, guys. Oh my god, it looks so good. Okay. Oh wow. Okay. Okay. Now we're gonna just cut it. Okay guys, so now I cut and everything. We're gonna style it now. But first I'm gonna take some alcohol and just go around my parts. Rubbing alcohol, yeah. I'm not gonna knock over. See how it looks much better. Let's see, put that alcohol on. Oh god, okay. Now we're gonna start. I got some Incredibles curl cream, some Eco Style gel, and some water. And we're just gonna style it. Like, I just wanted this down a little bit more. Back too, but I don't know, I really like it. So now I'm going to apply some lashes and we're gonna see the final look. Well guys, that is the end of the video. I like it. Comment down below what you guys think about this wig. I'm gonna be putting the description of this wig in the description box below. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and see you guys next video. Love you.